What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here in front of my pallet. You can see I got a bunch of media behind me. It's freezing in this garage, but it's where the pallet has to sit. I bought it. It's filled with mixed media, DVDs, I think CDs. All I found is DVDs, Blu-rays, and 4Ks at the moment. The last one that I bought this size was, there was some records in there, some CDs, and a few video games also, surprisingly. We also have a very cute little puppy over here that wants to go outside, I could tell. Hi, Soph. But yeah, I figured I'd open up one of these boxes and we could take a look inside together and see what kind of stuff we got. Okay, I gotta grab my AK-47 knife to bust open one of these boxes. Okay, so I'm looking at these three, and I want to pick one of these three. I think we're gonna go smack dab in the middle and grab this guy and see what's inside. All right, I figured I would move inside because it was so cold out there, and I figured I could just do it right here on my dining room table. So we got the knife. Let's cut into this box, and let's see what kind of stuff we get. And of course, I'll bring the camera over, and we'll pan down so you guys can see what is inside of this right when I see it. Again, I think it's going to be all DVDs, Blu-rays, 4Ks, but every once in a while there's like a really good box set or something else in here. That entire pallet out there, I paid $3,500 for. I don't know if I said that yet. So, you know, I paid a good amount for it, but there's a lot of good stuff in these boxes. I just cut it open. Let's take a look. All right, let's open this up together. Flap one, flap two. Okay. See, DVDs and Blu-rays so far. Love and Other Monsters, that's a semi-new release. The Kitchen, and you could see a lot of these cases are going to be broken. The discs should be inside of everything. Every once in a while they're not, but the majority of these cases are going to be broken. I actually buy replacement cases by the thousand at least on eBay and other websites, and I get them for between 15 and 20 cents a piece. I think on average I'm paying 18 cents per case. So I'll only replace ones that are worth it at that point. You know, it has to be selling for a couple bucks over on Amazon to make it worth it. So I'm gonna flip through these. I'm gonna set the camera back up and let's take a look. All right, so, oh, there goes the pup. All right, so like I was saying, we got a bunch of DVDs in here. We got, you know, The Kitchen, Love and Monsters. What I'm gonna do is just set all the DVDs in one pile. Let me actually angle the camera down. Set all the DVDs in a pile and all the Blu-rays in a pile. And that is a good way to get an idea of the split that we have going on here. So let's see. We got Disney's Cruella, and this is a brand new DVD, but again, the plastic is torn, the case is broken. That's gonna be the case with almost all of them. Conan the Barbarian. Now, not all of these are worth a lot of money. Some of these might be worth next to nothing. So those ones I sell in bulk lots on eBay or things like that. We have a little triple pack here, an entire Audrey Hepburn collection. Now, there's an issue that I hate when it comes to these bigger collections. See, the case is broken, but it is really hard to find replacement cases of this size. So something like this, I end up usually selling over on eBay and just showing off the broken case, as you guys can see, which is a shame because you get less money for it, but I cannot find replacement cases for these. We got Secret Life of Pets 1 and 2. Let's see what else we got in here. Polar Express, that's not worth anything. Birds of Prey, not worth anything. Iron Giant. Here we go. We have another collection right here, a 5-movie collection. Okay, so we're going to look this stuff up using the Amazon seller app live for you guys so you can see how I do it. This Dragonheart collection, we'll scan it in, see what it's going for. There it is. Has a pretty good rank. Brand new, it's selling for about $15. Mine's used, selling for $13 still. So you're still gonna make $6.44 on it if everything's in good condition, which, yes, it's in very good, clean condition. So this is something I would sell as used. So this we could set off to the Amazon pile, right? I'm not gonna do that for all of them. Let's just see what this Audrey Hepburn collection is going for because, you know, I've never seen this one. So it's actually not going for that much, so it's no big deal. Brand new, selling for $18 is what Amazon has it for. Used, $17, so I'd make $9 on it. I bet this is going for, you know, maybe $10 to $13 over on eBay, so I'll just sell it over there. It's no big deal. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle collection, surprisingly, isn't worth too much. All right, now we do have some Blu-rays here. We have The Grinch. Everything Christmas related is spiked at the moment because we're only a few days away from Christmas, so that's cool. Also, another thing is digital codes. So there's digital codes in a lot of these movies that I get because a lot of them are shelf pulls. So I actually sell those separately by themselves on Facebook buy and sell trade groups. So it's a good way to make a little extra money. Pocahontas collection, Civil War. So yeah, that new Mortal Kombat on Blu-ray. Lots of good stuff. What I'm gonna do now is just pull everything out and set them up. New Tom and Jerry Tremors 7 movie collection. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna set them all up so you guys can see the difference between DVDs, Blu-rays, and if we get any 4Ks or video games. Okay, so we finished going through the top layer in here, and you can see these are all the DVDs. These are the only Blu-rays, and we have a really cool brand new sealed Pokemon set right here. So that's kind of nice. A bunch of new releases. The new Suicide Squad movie that just came out is in here a couple times, which is pretty nice. A few other, newer movies. Fast 9, I believe, is pretty new. So that's pretty nice. Let's take a look inside the box because this was only the top layer. Here is the bottom layer. You can see a lot more Blu-rays down there. No 4Ks, it doesn't seem, but still some pretty interesting things. What I'm going to do is scan through some of the ones that I've not seen before and see if we have any big winners. Things are selling for over $10 because on average, I believe I pay about 70 cents or so per disc. Might be a little more, might be a little less, but let's scan and see what we got. All right, we have our first pretty good winner right here. This is the Die Hard collection on Blu-ray. You can see the case is busted. I try to find a new case for this because the price is so good. Right here, it has a very good rank on Amazon, selling for $38 new and used coming in at 30 bucks. So it's a $20 profit. I have to find a very specialty case since this houses at least five Blu-rays. So sometimes I buy them in bulk on eBay if I could find them, but they are not the easiest things to find. So that's pretty neat. We did get a Godzilla vs. Kong selling for about 10 bucks. Purge collection, this actually isn't going for much at all. So not bad. I did scan through a few of these in here. I didn't look up these two right here. We have the New Mutants and Night of the Animated Dead. So let's look these up together. I'm going to scan them in. Hope that one of these is worth pretty good. So that one right there, it's not bad. You can see brand new selling for $18, used selling for $16. But you could also see that new comes in as low as $13, so you'd probably price it a little bit lower. This is probably like a $6 profit. This New Mutants right here, let's check that one out. That one's not bad either. You can see $15 new, used coming in at $13, so about $7 profit. So definitely some good profit in those Blu-rays right there. Some of these DVDs can be good because the Suicide Squad is brand new. I'm assuming it's worth some good money. Let's take a look. You never know. All right, yeah, the Suicide Squad has a great rank. It sells pretty much instantly, but new Amazon has it on sale for $9.99. Used is coming in at $15. So once Amazon gets rid of that $9.99 sale, the price should go back up a bit. I don't know if I'll make exactly $8 profit, but it should be closer to $6 profit. Not bad on that. We got two of those right there. And I don't believe there's any more in this box, but we have so many other boxes. This is different. Never seen that. The Ghost and Mr. Chicken. Let's look this up. This is pretty interesting. Some of these older style movies can do really well. So this movie is also on Blu-ray, which hurts the DVD value quite a bit. Take a look. The DVD listing is right here, has a very good rank. Amazon has it on sale for $6.99, but you can still sell it used for about $6.59. It's a $1 profit. Remember, I'm into these about 70 cents each, so even if I could sell it for $1.10, I'm happy because at least on the duds, I get my money back plus a little bit, and everything else makes me, double, triple, quadruple, 15 times my money, right? Since I'm paying so little. So that is what a typical box looks like. If you guys want to see me open up more of these, I didn't look up this Tremors collection. Let's check this thing out because I do have a couple of them. We'll scan this one in. If you guys want to see me open up some more of these boxes, let me know down below in the comments. See if it pops up. It's not going to pop up. So let's try and take a picture of the front. There we go. And here it is. Amazing rank. It sells almost instantly, selling for $23 new or $22 used. So $14 profit, probably closer to $13 profit because I have damaged case. And we had another one of those over here somewhere. So not bad. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.